The Kia Carnival has always been known as a leader in the family van segment, not only for its comfort and practicality, but also for its safety record. Since 2021, both petrol and diesel versions of the Carnival have proudly held a 5-star rating from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program. Now, with the introduction of the hybrid model, new crash testing has been completed to make sure this greener alternative meets the same high standards. Because the hybrid carries a different powertrain and added weight compared to the petrol and diesel versions, fresh crash tests had to be conducted. These included frontal offset and oblique pole crash scenarios, which are designed to replicate some of the toughest real-world accidents. Engineers also examined whether any risks related to the hybrid system or battery safety would show up after an impact. The results confirmed that the Carnival Hybrid performs just as well as its petrol and diesel siblings. Importantly, the hybrid is equipped with the same advanced safety features found in the other models. That means you get the full suite of passive and active safety systems, giving families peace of mind no matter which version of the Carnival they choose. The result is official. All Kia Carnival variants, diesel, petrol, and the 1.6-liter petrol hybrid now carry a 5-star ANCAP safety rating. For families and fleet buyers, this makes the Carnival not just a practical and spacious option, but also one of the safest choices in its class. It is proof that going hybrid does not mean compromising on safety. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates.